Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Rover how to become a dog walker. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Becoming a dog walker on Rover is pretty easy. To do it, first what you need to do is head over and open up your Rover app. Then once you're inside here, what you need to do is choose become a dog walker and pet sitter. To do it, first you need to create your profile. You'll need to add your name, photo and location, write a short bio, set your availability and services, and choose your rates. Then next is to choose the services by simply tapping on the services icon on the bottom. Then once you are here, what you need to do is select dog walking. Then what you need to do here is fill in the information that you want and then tap on next. And now Rover requires a basic background check. There's a small one-time fee. You will need to provide basic ID and info, and once approved you'll be able to start your job. So that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.